This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about spatulas, specifically these Metlux high temperature spatulas. We have the red flat spatula in the 14-inch length and the red spoon-shaped spatula in the 16-inch length. Both of these styles, the flat and the spoon shape, are available in 10, 14, and 16-inch lengths, meaning you have a variety of different options available between the lengths and the styles of those spatula blades. The blades of these spatulas are made with a fantastic flexible silicone that's really going to bend and move with the job. So they're great for even doing things like working with sensitive non-stick cookware. They're not going to damage those surfaces. They can take heat up to 570 degrees Fahrenheit, so they're perfect for a wide range of tasks, whether that's on the stove or with, say, a chilled item. They're dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, which is always fantastic, and they feature great holes at the ends of the handles, so they're going to work with a wide variety of storage systems, including hooks. The handles are made of a really sturdy, strong plastic, so they can be used for many tasks, including heavy-duty ones. You can use them to stir, flip, or saute. They're great for mixing and scooping of batters and buttercreams as well. They're a nice, heavy-duty, long-lasting tool that's going to really stand up to use in just about any kitchen, whether that's in your home or a restaurant.